Suppose I have some data. Looks like it's set up for analysis of variance. I guess I have these categories 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and some numerical data. We don't know what the response variable is, but we don't really care in this particular video. I just want to go through making a box plot. So the problem is that a lot of spreadsheets don't have the box plot capability without doing something extra. So we can go online, and if we go here to an online box plot maker, this is in our Module 7 guided project, and I'll click there, and we get this coming up. There's an ad that comes up down here, so I'll just get rid of that. And here's the box plot maker. We can add our data. The ad here popping up. Let's see if I can get rid of that. There we go. Okay. So I'd rather have you pay attention over here, not to smart wool underwear. So okay, so we want to add our data. We had 5 groups. This look at that, it comes back. Oh well. We want to add our 5 groups, not just 3. But notice here it says add group, so I could add a group and then add another group, and there are 5 groups. And so what I need to do is replace these values with my values, and so I go here, I highlight that, I'll do a copy. Usually I would just do a Control-C, but I was just showing you there that I am doing a copy. Highlight here. Now, see, I don't think I could do a pay. Oh yeah, I can. How about that? So here I'm just showing you I'm doing a paste, and there it is. I thought it might be web commands or something it wanted, and so I'll do the same thing again here. Copy my next data, go back, and I guess I could get rid of all of that just to start with. You know, like I could go in here and just well, I think it deleted it, and so there, copy again, and here I just do a paste, and then I need to do the same thing here for 2 more. Copy and paste. Okay, and finally this one, the last one. Copy and paste. Now what I don't know is if you can change the group name. It's not looking like it to me, and so that's one drawback. We just have these group 1, group 2, so you'd have to tell us somewhere, or cut that out and rename it using your technology skills, something like that. But I can just say draw, and I'll move my ugly mug out of the way, and there we have it. So there's our box plot, and what I might do to copy and paste this is I'm going to use Control Plus and see if, well, try it again, Control Plus, there we go. The last thing I did was move that picture, I think, or something. But anyway, so I clicked on that. I used Control Plus to make the the website bigger. Notice it says 120% up here, and that's just so I don't have to crop as much, so I could make it possibly bigger yet if I get me out of the way. Here's a nice big picture of that, and so I could do my control print screen thing of this thing. So control and print screen, and then once again I could I don't have a document open, but I just need my document. There's my document, and I maybe go down here and paste. So paste, and there it is. And once again I can get rid of the stuff I don't want. And I can bring this in like that and get rid of this stuff. And again here, I could either explain that group 1 is this, group 2 is that sort of thing, or I could crop this even more and try to type in the names under there, but there I have it. I have it cropped, and now I can move it up wherever I need, and I can also, if I need to, resize it and make it a little smaller. And actually, now I see over here, I probably want to crop that off, get rid of all that, so that that's the part I want to see. Now the values over here, I could have changed that, but at any rate, there we have it. Let's go back to this, and again up here, values, I could type something in, so if I said something else or some other name, come down here, notice it hasn't changed it yet, but if I redraw it, then now it says something else there. And then also I could do the same thing with my summary statistics here. Right, I have the minimum, the first quartile, the median, the second quartile, the maximum, the mean, and the standard deviation for each of those groups. So I could also take a picture of that and include it. I suppose I can make this a little bit smaller again, and possibly not quite fitting there. I could maybe take a picture of this whole thing as my output and do it that way, and that'd be okay too. You just get, if you do it as two separate ones, you get a little more flexibility as to how you place it and that sort of thing. You could place the figure first and this second, so there we go. I've made a box plot out of a bunch of box plots out of some data, and I think that's good for this video.